Hi, I'm Lina from Lina's Kitchen. Today, I will share with you one of the Ramadan dessert. It's delicious, easy, and crunchy balls called katayef, and in some countries they call it kunāfa. Today, I stuffed it with various nuts, and you can also stuff it with plain cheese. First, put your pecan in a pan. Turn your oven on the top. Put your pan on the lower rack. Roast your pecan and watch it time to time in order to avoid burning it. After that, put your almonds meal in a pan and roast it in the same way that we roasted the pecan. But you must take the almonds out of the oven, one at a time, and turn them over so that they do not burn. Now in a bowl, mix your pecan with your almonds meal. Mix everything well. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well. Add 6 tablespoons of melted butter mixed with melted ghee. Then add orange blossom water until you get an almond paste that you can make balls with it. After finishing making these balls, set them aside, and now it's time to prepare our katayef. In a big bowl, open up your katayef. Grease your tray with the butter and ghee mixture. Then grease the katayef with the same mixture until you are sure that the butter is distributed in every part of the katayef so that it does not stick together. In a coffee cup, put amount of katayef at the bottom, and in the middle put the almond ball and cover it with katayef from above. And here you have got a beautiful katayef ball, and they are all the same size. I completed the work with my hands because I'm used to it. If you are not used to it, coffee cup will help you and you will get nice and beautiful work. Whenever you finish, brush your katayef balls with melted butter and ghee on the top. Cook it at 350 Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes on the bottom. Whenever you notice that your katayef are golden brown in the bottom, turn your oven off and turn it on the top and grill it or roast it for about 10 to 15 minutes until you get a golden balls of katayef. Soak your katayef with honey flavored with orange blossom. Honey keeps the katayef crunchy for a longer period. If you want your katayef soft, you can use syrup, and the measurement of syrup is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and you have to boil it for about 20 to 25 minutes. When your katayef is hot, you have to use cold honey or cold syrup, and it's the opposite. When your katayef is cold, you have to use hot syrup or hot honey. Garnish your katayef with chopped pistachio and serve it with a nice cup of tea. My katayef was crunchy on the outside and very tender and soft in the inside. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!